In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a packing slip in Xero. A packing slip is the document you include in the box so your customer or warehouse can verify which items are being shipped. It usually lists products and quantities and often excludes prices. We'll walk through the exact clicks in Xero so you can generate a clean, accurate slip in just a moment. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into Xero and that the invoice you want to ship against has been created and approved. The steps I'm showing use the standard Xero navigation and work great when the invoice has been marked as paid. From your Xero dashboard, start by going to the sales area. This is where Xero groups everything related to quotes, invoices, and customer transactions, and it's the quickest path to the document we need. Next, choose Invoices. This opens the full list of your sales invoices, organized into tabs so you can quickly find the ones that are awaiting approval, awaiting payment, or already paid. Now, click the Paid tab. This filters the list to invoices that have been fully settled. If your process generates packing slips before payment, your invoice might be under a different tab. But for this walkthrough, we're selecting from Paid to keep things simple and consistent. Find and select the invoice you're packing. Open it and take a moment to confirm the details. Customer name, ship to information if you use it, and most importantly, the line items and quantities. The packing slip pulls its details straight from the invoice, so any corrections should be made on the invoice first. With the invoice open, look toward the top of the screen for the Print PDF button. Click the small drop-down arrow beside it. This reveals the different document formats Xero can generate from this invoice. Choose Packing Slip from that menu. Xero will create a PDF version of the packing slip, typically opening it in a new tab or a preview window. From there, it's ready for you to print or download according to your usual process. The slip will reflect your organization's document template, so headers, logos, and formatting will match your branding. If the layout looks off when printing, double check your printer settings for scale at 100% and the correct orientation. That's it. You navigated to sales, opened invoices, filtered to paid, selected the correct invoice, used the drop-down beside Print PDF, and generated a packing slip. Follow these same steps for any future orders to keep your fulfillment smooth and accurate.